love God. But the religion I can do without. Because the religion kept me in bondage. Because I'm a conduit of domestic violence and sexual assault. I was in the church hurting and nobody knew it. I'm in the church and they're telling me to pray because the reason why my husband is either hitting me or cussing me out is because I didn't do something right. That's church religion to me. That is not God. And so my story is I've learned that I am not that, but I am a creative spiritual being, because you know we are spirit first, having a human experience. So I've learned to not allow religion to keep me in bondage. And so that's how my books came about. Because my books are about healing, restoration. They're about discovering who you are on the inside, because I love what she said. Because as a young girl, I grew up in a household of abuse, alcoholism. I was molested at 9, raped at 16, on the street as a prostitute at 17, in jail. From there, I went to corporate America. It is easy to do when you know who you are.
All right.
And so I had to learn who I am. And so I'm on that journey, and I'm still on the journey. I'm not my title. That's why when she said minister, it's okay, but that's not who I am. Who I am is a spiritual being right now having a human experience. And I'm here to share the love by sharing my story to help you heal and discover who you are.